In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mind maps fast with AI using ChatGPT. If you've ever found yourself tangled up in complex information or struggled to organize your thoughts, mind maps are a fantastic tool to help untangle the mess. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly create detailed mind maps using artificial intelligence, which can be a real game changer for your brainstorming sessions, project planning, or any situation where you need a bit more clarity. To get started, we need to head over to Google. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Google homepage. This is the simplest way to begin our journey, as most of us are familiar with Google and its efficient search capabilities. Once you're there, you'll want to type ChatGPT into the search bar and hit enter. This will lead you to a list of results. Next, locate the official ChatGPT website from the search results and click on the link. This step takes you to the ChatGPT platform, which will act as our partner for generating mind maps. Once you're on the site, you'll see a chat interface ready to accept prompts. In this box, you'll want to type a precise and clear prompt to instruct the AI to create a mind map. For this example, input a prompt like, "Create a detailed markdown mind map outline on strategic planning." Make sure you mention the central topic along with 4 or more main branches and any sub-branches you think are necessary. Using headings appropriately will help in generating a mind map that can be easily transferred into different formats if needed. It's amazing how specificity with the AI can dramatically impact the quality of results you get. Once you've typed in your prompt, simply hit the Submit button. This will send the request to ChatGPT, which will start processing the information immediately. Within moments, you should see a detailed, structured outline based on your instructions. If you're satisfied with the outline, you can proceed. But if you are aiming for a visual mind map rather than a text-based outline, there's another quick step. Use the chat function again, click on the search bar, and input a follow-up prompt requesting a visual representation. You can simply say, "Generate a visual mind map image." Again, click Submit and allow the AI to perform its magic. This visual map will help you grasp complex information at a glance, making it even easier to share and collaborate with others. And there you have it, quick and efficient mind map creation with the help of AI using ChatGPT. Whether for personal use or team projects, this tool is a fantastic asset to have in your creative and organizational toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has empowered you to embrace the future of AI-driven productivity.